Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best products to enhance your outdoor cooking adventures. In today's video, we're thrilled to introduce you to the VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven, a versatile and efficient pizza maker designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or enjoying a backyard gathering, this pizza oven will surely become your go-to cooking appliance. So, let's get started. The VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven is a 12-inch powerhouse that combines the convenience of a portable design with the authenticity of wood-fired cooking. Its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With this pizza oven, you can unleash your inner pizzaiolo and create artisanal pizzas with a delightful wood-fired flavor. One of the remarkable features of the VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven is its compatibility with both wood pellets and charcoal. Whether you prefer the convenience of wood pellets or the traditional smokiness of charcoal, this oven allows you to choose your preferred fuel source. Simply add the pellets or charcoal to the dedicated chamber, ignite it, and let the oven work its magic. The VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven guarantees perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Its innovative design and efficient heat distribution ensure that your pizzas are cooked evenly, with a crispy crust and a gooey cheese. The included pizza stone helps retain and distribute heat, resulting in that authentic brick oven texture. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a picnic, or a backyard barbecue, the VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven is incredibly portable and easy to set up. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to enjoy wood-fired pizzas wherever your outdoor adventures take you. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it a breeze to transport and set up in no time. When you invest in the VEVOR Outdoor Pizza Oven, you're not just getting the oven itself. You'll also receive a range of essential accessories that make your cooking experience even better. The package includes a pizza stone, which helps in achieving that perfect crust, a waterproof cover to protect the oven from the elements, a convenient shovel for easy pizza handling, and a wood burner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.